Aloha, Sky Control checking in, and hopefully you're watching this before this situation happens to you. What the fuck is that about? It's doing it again. Oh my God. Annoying, right? So what you do is you cut the controller off and then you press every button, wiggle everything, move it around. Don't forget the gimbal and the record button. Don't forget the function button and the camera button. Hit every button. The joysticks, wiggle them, the normal, Cinemodes, sport switch, everything. Just wiggle it, toggle it back and forth. Then after that, cut it back on, problem resolved.
Oh, this song.
Fuck yeah. Aloha.